Ooh, my jerk chicken looks so good and it smells so good in here right now. Oh my goodness, look at that. That just looks so good, doesn't it, y'all? So good. The jerk chicken looks so good. I'm about to fix a plate for Jade right now. So just a second, y'all. Okay, so this is Jade's plate. She said a small one, so I made a small one. I hope it's just perfect because I know Jade, she is so picky and such a headache. So, oops, did she just open the door? So that is Jade's plate. Guys, thank you for watching. God bless. I hope you stay safe out there. Remember, stay safe. Love you all. Bye. Hello guys, so it's Saturday evening and I'm getting ready to season up some chicken. I'm gonna jerk some chicken. I'm actually gonna jerk it on the grill this time. So right now I'm preparing the marinade to season up the chicken. Grab my soy sauce. Okay, so in the bowl here, I'm going to add my jerk marinade. I am using store-bought Walker's Wood Hot and Spicy. Okay, to this I'm going to add some, let me see if I have enough in here. No, I don't need the other one. Some soy sauce. I always use low sodium soy sauce. Pinch of salt. Black pepper. Adobo all-purpose seasoning. Garlic powder. Oops. I think I'm gonna add a little more of the marinade in there. I mean, if it's too much, I can always refrigerate it in a different thing. I don't have to get rid of it. I have this roasted garlic and herb grill meat. I'm going to add some to it. I just ordered this from Amazon, so it's not even open yet. Oh God, this smells good. Of course, allspice. Just a pinch of nutmeg. I have just a little bit of paprika that I just ordered roasted paprika from Amazon. It's not here yet. I'm not happy about that. And a little poultry seasoning. Gotta season up your chicken or your meat real good, you know? So we're gonna mix all this up together. Now we're gonna move over here in the sink. The water drained out. I have a whole chicken in here. Hold on, I'll make sure that's up here. Clean out the fridge and I found a couple extra chicken legs. I'm just gonna use them. So I have 2 breasts I'm gonna put in there too. So I can put these on the grill and have them for Monday for jerk chicken salad. So what I'm going to do, this has been soaking in the vinegar and water, so maybe 5 minutes. I'm going to clean it up. Get off all the extra fat. And remove this piece back here. just cleaning up all the pieces really well. The back of the chicken legs right here, they usually have, if you don't pay attention, sometimes they have little feathers left on the back of them, so I'm looking if there's any. This whole chicken salad. Okay, I need a cutting board. I'm going to cut the chicken in half. Let me shift the camera just a little bit more so you can see that okay. Jade, come pick up your towel and your crap off the counter that keep getting in my video. You left your towel on the counter here. Yes. Trust me.
I said, oh, because I thought you were recording on the stove.
Okay, guys, now the inside of the chicken. Got these. I'm gonna clean these out. I'm not gonna cut the chicken all the way in half. I'm just gonna leave it just like this. When I cook it like this on the grill, cutting in half like this, it makes the cooking time less. Make it cook faster. So now I gotta wash it again. I have a bowl on the other side of the sink. I'm putting this in, kind of dip off some of the water. Okay, we're gonna move again. Okay, guys, here's the nice and cleaned up chicken. Again, I have 2 breasts and I just cleaned out the freezer. Found these couple legs. These 2 breasts, I wanted these for some chicken salads on Monday for lunch. So we're gonna season all this up now. Let me get. Let's get this big chicken here. Open up the middle. The front. This is looking like, yeah, I was a bit too stingy with the seasoning. I gotta get some more. See? Just a little bit more, guys. What's the money? Just a little more. And here I was thinking I was doing too much. I'm not gonna add any more soy sauce to this. No more salt either. Is that the carrot juice we just made? How come I didn't hear you tell anyone how it tastes? I didn't hear that. Now, if your father let me wake up tomorrow and that carrot juice in that jug is not where it is right now, I swear to Jesus, this chicken I'm seasoning up is going to stay in the fridge and it's not getting on that grill tomorrow. So y'all provoke my peace and drink out that juice tonight, see? Don't you come back here and pause my stuff no more. You don't get to do that. I'm talking to you once again. If you and your father let me wake up tomorrow and this carrot juice is not where it is in that jug, I swear this chicken right here is not getting on the grill tomorrow. Y'all hear me? Okay. I know y'all act like y'all can't sleep at night. So I know y'all be in this kitchen. Okay guys, so this is the chicken. See, I got the inside of it. You know, the breast split right there. Make sure I got some in there too. So this is going to marinate overnight, and tomorrow I will see you guys when it's time to go on that patio on the grill, okay? See you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, as you can see, my grill looks a little bit weak right now, but it's coming along for the jerk chicken. But y'all want to know something? Remember, I was marinating my chicken Saturday night to make it Sunday for Sunday dinner, right? And I told Jade and Troy not to touch my juice or dinner won't be made. Well, guess what? They didn't touch my juice, but I got up Sunday morning kind of late because I was finally off from work. I work from home now, but I was off from work. And the child had done what she called stayed up all night. And y'all, my kitchen was a mess. I was like, heck to the no. I went straight back to my room and straight back in the bed. I'm like, I'm not touching anything in that kitchen while it looks like that. So guess what? I was so mad for the rest of the day. No Sunday dinner was made. So it's Monday. I just finished working and I am making my jerk chicken now, okay? So I'm heating up the grill. I don't want it too much fire because I want to just slow cook this thing and get it right. So I'll see you guys back in a bit, okay? Okay guys, I think I have just enough fire to get started because like I said, I just want to slow cook this thing. I don't want too much fire because I don't want to burn it and it's not cooked, you know? I just want to slow cook this thing. So the whole chicken, let me move this closer to the whole chicken. I'm going to get the whole chicken on. I'm just going to put it, you remember I butterfly it? I'm just going to put it on like that. Whew. The reason I don't do this more, I do not like when I get done all that smoke on me. You know, you got to rush to the kitchen, to the shower before you even get to eat. Okay. That's the only place I see fire right now, so I'm going to wait before I put anything else on. When I come back, we'll be grilling up a storm, okay? Okay, guys, I have added I've added the legs to the grill. The back of the chicken, I have drizzled some oil on there. I wanted to do that before I flip it to help prevent it from sticking. I just want to take a good look at it right now because the fire is going under there. And like I said, I don't want no burn. I just want nice, slow cooked jerk chicken on this grill. I don't want no burning. anything. Not today. I hear thundering and I need to stop. Not yet. Oh, this fire is not spreading any further. Yeah, okay. It's getting enough smoke. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I would not be a happy camper today. Not today, Jesus. Not today, devil. That's why leave me alone. Today I'm gonna have beautiful, delicious jerk chicken. Ooh, y'all, I forgot to close the sliding door and the house started beeping. Fire alarm. Whew. Inside to go with this, I'm making rice and peas, but not together. I'm just making some Cajun beans on the side with some white rice and my little corn fried fritters. I already made the dough. I'll show you in a little bit how I do that. Yeah, I know. I forgot to close this sliding door and then smoke started coming in. And you just wash your hair, so you don't want to come out here. Pardon me?
Got in my eyes.
I'm sorry. You are not going to burn my chicken too, you hear me? Well, that fat from the chicken is just drizzling. Is she still? Oh, I thought she was still coming out here. Man, you just washed your hair. I'm gonna have to turn this constantly because, like I said, I am not burning this chicken, not today. You hear me? I have to run inside and come right back. So guys, we've been at this about a little over 30 minutes now. Everything is on the grill. Like I said, just slowly cooking. I'm holding this to put it on the side so you know the side will get a little of the little bit of the char on there. I don't like too much char, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna switch it to the other one. kitchen with the fork here. And we'll get the tongs. This fork is gonna get my chicken. I'm watching it so I don't have too much fire. And then when I feel comfortable with the fire, I'm gonna just cover it with the lid and then let it slow cook, slow roast a bit. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since I said I was gonna close it after watching the fire. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna let this just slowly cook underneath there, okay? And I'm gonna go in the kitchen, and I'm going to make a sauce that goes with this. So let's go to the kitchen for a minute. So, right, you can see this pot. So I'm gonna get some ingredients together in this pot here. Whew. That outside Florida temperature is no joke. So lordy. Okay, I'm gonna start with some of the jerk marinade that I marinate the chicken in. Not much, because you know homegirl here is not a fan of too much hot food. That's about a teaspoon. Put about 2 tablespoons of butter in there.
Oh my gosh.
What? Yes, the camera's on, so more.
No.
Jed, I've gone too far for you to delete this now. Stop it. So I'm sorry. Bye. Just don't say love you people. Just say something. Say I love y'all. You chicken. Thinking I was gonna delete that because of your nappy headed self. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some brown sugar to that now. Oh, I need to put this in my container. Let's just... That's a little under 2 tablespoons of brown sugar there, I would say. Now let me add a little ketchup. I don't want too much sauce because Jade and Troy are not a big fan. No, Jade is not. Troy is. That's about a half a cup of ketchup. Nah. That was not, yeah, that's about a half a cup of ketchup. Oh man, that heat outside is murderous. Let's get some soy sauce in here. Let me finish up this bottle. Okay, this one is it open? No, I'm gonna let this open. It's not gonna open now. This is a little under half a cup. And then we get a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in here. Make a cornstarch slurry later on and add to it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. It's gonna be a as you go kind of thing, you know. And let me show you the dough for my little corn dumplings I'm gonna make. This is a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, about a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of actual whole kernel corn, about a third a cup of cornmeal, a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg, and I make it into a dough. Sometimes I make the dough real well where I just make little circulars with it, or sometimes I just make it like this messy and just use a spoon and drop it in the pot. So at some point we're gonna fry these up, okay? Oh, and it also has about a tablespoon of baking powder in here and a pinch of salt. Sorry about that. And look over here is my red beans. I said Cajun, but it's more like Jamaican style because actually it has the Scotch bonnet in there. It's more like Jamaican flavor. I got some whole spice in there, which I'm gonna pick out in a bit because they're just about done. So next is to go back outside. Guys, I'm back. I have removed the lid from the chicken again. Try to get it on the side of this one leg right here. Using the other chicken back here to hold it a little bit. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes since we've been cooking on the grill. We're doing pretty good. Checking the leg here. I'm checking the leg here to make sure there's no blood still coming out of it, and we're good, yeah. Because you know the dark meat is usually the hardest to cook. So let me get to the pie over here. No. You don't want it to cook down to the bone, so I'm not just going to judge it by that. I'm going to give it enough time. Well, here's a little thing I've done in the past where I've half cook it on the grill and then just take it inside and finish it in the oven, because this Florida weather and this heat outside of me, we not friends. We come from Jamaica, but I swear we don't understand. Maybe I've been here too long. I don't know. I don't remember Jamaica heat, but this thing right here, or maybe I'm just getting older. Older. I didn't say old. I say older. And maybe that's why I just can't do it, man. So I have done that. So that's an option for you. You can half cook it on the grill, because then you have that nice smoke flavor, and then you can finish it in the oven. up all the time. Let's go finish our sauce. So here is the sauce, guys. I have decided, yes, I'm going to add just a little bit of cornstarch slowly to it. So in this I have about a teaspoon of cornstarch, a little water, making sure the cornstarch is mixed up in there, getting that back up to a boil, and then I will add it to it. And I'm going to prepare to fry my little corn dumplings, corn drops, since they are the unpretty ones today. I'm heating up some oil over here. Chicken is almost done out there, so I'm gonna go get that soon. It's been on the grill more than an hour and a half. Yay! I'm gonna get that soon. Guys, the sauce is finished. Taste and looks so divine. Now my chicken, I'm gonna go get my chicken, and I wanted to let you know for the last 15 minutes the chicken been cooking. I actually separated the thigh and the leg from the breast and took the breast part out because, you know, dark meat takes longer to cook, and I just wanted to be safe than sorry. So I did separate that. Anyway, I'm gonna go get that now, and I'll come back in the kitchen in a few. Guys, okay, here we go. The chicken is out. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut it up. So let's move over here. I've been testing this pot here with the oil. Make sure it's hot enough. And we're gonna get started on these little corn droplets, as I call them. You notice every time I say something different, right? I swear. I just know they are yummy. That's all I can tell you. They are delicious. Because they're fried, I rarely ever make them. When all the kids were home, then I would make them more, because then they would eat it up like crazy, and it would be left for me and Shorty. So that was good. I'm gonna come back and I'm just gonna show you the first set. Woo. This girl is tired. I went to bed probably 2 o'clock this morning, knowing I had to start working at 8 this morning. Like, just because I work from home, I still don't need to sleep. I haven't been doing that much since I've been working from home, though. I've been really going to bed. Last few days, I don't know what's happened. Anyway, guys, I want to ask you all, how are you doing during this lockdown and social distancing? I hope everyone is doing well. I want to remind you, you're not going through this alone, and if you need someone to talk to, reach out and find someone to talk to, and don't do this alone. If anything, this has taught us that we need each other, okay? So let's lean on each other. Let's take care of each other. And remember, it's only temporary. We're going to get through it. And I want to believe with you that we're going to come out of this better than we went in. Let's stop listening to the negativity. Let's pray. Let's use wisdom. Let's listen to the professionals. And let's think for ourselves, okay? Because if you don't, if you follow the way of the world, you will go out your flipping mind. And remember, take a break from the news sometimes too. You know, allow yourself a day or two to not watch the news and know what's going on. It's not going to hurt you. It's going to be there when you go back in a day or two, okay? Oh, I may need to turn this up a little higher. I want them to fry a little faster so it's not soak up too much of the oil, you know? Why did I use this wooden spoon? Oh, it's so nice not to know that I'm not going back outside. I'm done with outside for now. You guys, I'm gonna come back and show you in a second, okay? J double with a double with a J double with a boot. Cleaning on top like a good girl, like a good girl. I'm just saying, I'm just in love with you right now. I'm being stupid. It's not recording nowhere.
I'm cramping.
You gonna get on this camera on there and say hello? Hi, Mom. Can't you get on the camera on there and say hello to Mommy Peeps?
I did.
No, you
And I
didn't.
sounded like a crackhead.
No, you didn't.
Mommy was recording.
I said say hello to them.
Oh, I said hi to you.
That's what I'm saying. I want you to get on there and say hello to them.
I'm not saying hi to nobody.
It's about making Mommy channel grow. Make Mommy rich so Mommy can spoil you. Don't you want that?
Cut it out.
Oh, so
What do I do with the other room?
are you gonna make the stuff I asked you about that I'm gonna pay you $10 to make?
Can I finish cleaning though? Because I have some stuff left to do. And I still have to clean my room. I have to put a freaking bag in the garbage can.
I kind of asked that
Sweet.
hours ago.
Mom, I didn't know you wanted me to do that like today.
And I need to know it's gonna be done in a few days at least, because I know you.
Well, then let me clean.
Because think about it, when it's done, if it's good, I may just have another one for you to do. So that's more money for
Let
you.
me clean one task at a time.
Yeah.
I can't hear you anymore. Just need like that out there.
Hmm?
It's the desk fan.
You should be back there on top of the bedroom right there.
I can't see anything.
Okay. You got it?
No.
I must have fell off. I'm sorry, I'm coming.
There's a blue one. I don't know if I can reach it.
Let me get it. Let me see if I can get it.
I got it. Can you give me a nice tall cup of water?
That bleach is cleaning bleach, the one with yellow around it.
Bleach.
It's for cleaning, so I'm guessing it's not the same. I made a mistake in by cleaning. Just put a little tip in it.
I don't know what that means, but I hope my bathroom doesn't stink.
Let me see that it's a lemon, right? See, it's lemon. It's gonna smell like lemon flavor.
Lemon bleach.
You never had a lemon bleach?
I'm saying it's gonna smell like lemon bleach. Why can I not open this?
Because you're being a pain in my butt.
Push down and turn. Jesus. Look at my whole body weight on.
You ain't got nothing to do with what's going on right here.
Well, I need him to take the wheel and clean the rest of my bathroom.
And he's backing after you. He said, then I wouldn't be Jesus, so then I wouldn't be teaching you hard work and responsibility.
No, it definitely smells like bleach.
Just put a tip in there.
I don't even want them off anymore.
Okay, just a tip.
I mean, I have to open it. Can you relax? I'm going to. I don't know why you thought bleach was going to smell like bleach.
Because I was buying bleach for laundry, and when I got out, I realized what it said.
Okay, my point's going to be.
So I wasn't buying it for cleaning, but that's right.
I don't know why you thought bleach would still smell like bleach.
And to get some, that's all. That seems like you didn't put a tat in there. That seems like you put more than a tat in there, so I'm gonna give you
Well,
one.
in this big behind bucket, I'm going to fill it up with water. It's going to get soaked up in the mop. If I want to actually clean something, I'm pretty sure I can still bleach on my shirt. Can I buy some pine sol?
Let me show you what one of these look like on the inside. When I say it's the cinnamon and the little nutmeg and the sugar, it is so good. And I would recommend probably a little bit of grated ginger, but Jade, I'm gonna hear her mouth. Mommy, is ginger in this? Like, yeah, I'm trying to give you some antioxidants. You know I don't like ginger, so I didn't put any ginger in there, but you can do that also. So good. Okay, so let's just see. I have cut up the chicken. I'm not gonna put any sauce on there. I'm gonna let everyone put individual sauce on their plate if they want it. So I will come back because this one going in the shower when those are done to wash this smoke off. And then I'll come back and show you a plate when it's made, the sauce and everything together, okay? So before I go though, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and help me to grow this little channel because cooking is one of the things that I love to do so much. I've been cooking since I was 9 in the kitchen with my little grandmother. Oh my God, miss that woman. And I have so much more to bring to you. And I want to say, God bless. Stay healthy and safe out there. Don't forget, just because you don't have to, okay? Do what is best for you and the ones you love. Again, thanks you for watching. I will see you soon. Oh, my jerk chicken looks so good and it smells so good in here right now. Oh my goodness, look at that. That just looks so good, doesn't it, y'all? So good. The jerk chicken looks so good. I'm about to fix a plate for Jade right now. So just a second, y'all. Okay, so this is Jade's plate. She said a small one, so I made a small one. I hope it's just perfect because I know Jade, she is so picky and such a headache. So, oops, did she just open the door? So that is Jade's plate. Guys, thank you for watching. God bless. I hope you stay safe out there. Remember, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.